Hello, my besties and amoras. Welcome back to another episode of the Sexy Music Assassins YouTube channel, Painting with TSMA EPAGGELIA. And if you're new watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. And also, please subscribe. Also, please don't forget to follow all my TSMA family on smil.com. They're all amazing singers. Also, what we are using right now, this is the Flow Acrylic by Artist Loft, and our canvas is 20 by 24 inches, and creative inspirations for our painting. And also, please don't forget to check out the links below. And we are going to color the background black, alright? And we're just gonna like paint it, swipe the black, alright, using this foam brush. Alright, as you can see, I am distributing all the black color all over the canvas. So have you ever wanted to try acrylic pouring but just don't know where to start, my besties and amores? So have you ever thought what materials you need and what are the materials for, and also how they are used? So can you use items or products you already have in your house? Alright, so these are many other questions that we can answer. Alright, and if you know the answer to this, please don't forget to comment below. So can you use items and products you already have in your house? That's if it is acrylic. Yes, you can, because this one is acrylic pouring. So do you have like house paints? That one requires some additives like the fluid roll, alright? You can use that one, but it's not really like, the quality of that really is for the house. But if you will use it to like combine it with other additives, alright? Or if you want to combine it to your acrylic paint, you can, as long as they are both latex. Alright, if they contain latex, then yes, you can use the house paint. Alright, but if you will use it alone, then you can observe some cracking later on, and you don't want to do that. So acrylic pouring is also known as fluid painting or pour painting. This is a unique form of art. Using acrylic paint, the fluidity of this acrylic paint, we can create beautiful pieces of abstract art. So what we are doing right here, this is a good example of an abstract art. So, when I began experimenting with the techniques, then I realized, what a fun creative outlet of really expressing your passion of painting or your love of like colors, stuff like that. The arts, love of making artworks like that, creative outlet, acrylic pouring can be. So it's really fun if you started like loving how to paint, then it just, if you're really like born being an artist, and if you're born an artist, it's really you, it will show. And so while acrylic pouring does take a lot of practice, I say it is an art form that doesn't require years. years of study and training to get amazing results. As you can see, I do not have any background of like um I didn't go to school for this, like for painting, I just literally, like, I woke up in the morning and all of a sudden I just like that, just like it's so impulsive, but it was funny. Like, I woke up and I decided I will go to Michael's, all right, and buy a lot of canvas. And I was like, why am I buying all these canvases? I I know how to paint? Like, I was like, oh, okay, all right. I already bought it, so I picked my colors. I I picked like acrylic, the acrylic paints. I got some oil paints also, and some knives. At first, I was like, oh my God, I'm kind of excited and at the same time nervous. You know what I'm saying? So it really doesn't take practice. And you don't have to have a degree to paint. you know, See, with so many easy and fun techniques. If you're watching our video, you will know, you will learn. You will learn from our videos how to paint, like step by step. And there are some other techniques. And as you paint along with us, you will learn. If you are like watching all our videos, then if you haven't had subscribed yet to our channel, please do so. And also, it's this art form is really for anyone who loves to create, who wants to experiment, and who loves art. And it is a great activity to enjoy with friends and family. For example, like if you have I say if you have like birthdays, or if you have like a meeting or a conference, this is like a side job. You don't only like make money, but also you are having friends, creating memories. You are creating with friends, I should say, and making memories. And it is really an excellent way to relax or de-stress, especially in today's like we're in a pandemic time. It's really a great way to like express yourselves. And you know so one of my favorite things about paint acrylic pouring is that you will surely come up with a unique piece of art each time you create. All your paintings, it's not really the same, like the outcome of the painting that you created now, and then after like 5 minutes or so, you want to create another one, or they're not the same. So the result always has an element of, I say, surprise, an excitement, and surely a masterpiece. And even when you're using a specific technique, the outcome will not always be the same. you know so if you are a beginner, you want to get started with, first start with acrylic pouring as well. So you get to know the paints and how to blend them, and what colors goes with the other color. You will learn a lot of technique and how to combine colors, stuff like that, you see. you know, you simply looking to learn some new techniques to add, you know, for example, like with acrylic pouring, you can create really beautiful paintings and projects, like a special gift, to give to your mom, to your friends. You know what I'm saying? So what I did on here, I said we because I represent TSMA, and so we put layers of paint in a horizontal, I can say vertical to line, and also just lay down all the specific colors that you want to use, and then we swiped it with this zigzagged plastic. So this is now our final painting tutorial, and on this we use this swiping technique. you see you see this one, so you can swipe in any direction, vertically, horizontally, diagonally, and combination of the above. So if you love this, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so